rose is plant. No rose is plant. Second statement is no plant is no plant. No plant is beautiful. No plant is beautiful. No plant is beautiful. First of all, first statement, no rose is plant, and from the second aspect, second statement is no plant is beautiful. Now first of all, we frame the Venn diagram for easy way, for easy method to find out the imbibed logic in that given statements are framed Venn diagrams. From that two aspects, in the smooth way, in simple technique, we find out the conclusion from the given two statements. If we observe these two statements here, what are the common words, what are the common aspects here? And again the common aspects were plant, plant, plant. From the first statement, the plant is the object. From the second statement, the plant is the subject. Now, when we go through the conclusion portion, we did not show the word plant in the conclusion hypothesis or conclusion portions, conclusion aspects. First of all, what we do here, that means first of all we do or we frame the Venn diagrams for the given framed two statements, that were no rose is plant, no rose is plant, and no rose is plant here, no rose is plant, and no plant is beautiful, no plant is beautiful. No plant is beautiful. Here rose, plant, beautiful for the individually they were differ from each other. They were not have the common portions or not have the common sectors or not have the common sections. Individually these three aspects were differ from each other. Hence we take the separately here as rose portion is separately, plants portion is separately, beautiful portion is separately. Hence here we observe that no rose is plant, no plant is beautiful. That was the first aspect, or that was the first way Venn diagram. If we take another way, that was the second way. Here no rose is plant and no plant is beautiful. No plant is beautiful. No plant is beautiful. But maybe some roses are beautiful, or maybe there is a relation between the roses and beautiful. That means the plant section was not related to directly beautiful. That means conversely we take as the that beautiful section, that beautiful portion, that beautiful sector may be related with the roses portion or roses sector or roses section. Hence we draw here like some roses are beautiful or some roses are not beautiful. That means some roses are beautiful, some roses are not beautiful means no plant is beautiful. No plant is beautiful. But here we gave the main preference for the first aspect of the Venn diagram. We did not take this. We did not take this. That means there is no clear-cut information about this portion. That relation between the rose and beautiful sectors from the given statements. we conclude or we think maybe happens like that. Hence we frame this information as in the form of this Venn diagram. But this is not appear. This is not happens. 100%, that means maximum we take the preference for this first Venn diagram, first aspect. That means what is the conclusion here? If we think in the simple way, we find out the simple technique. When the two statements appear with the no concept, that means for the no concept, always there is no conclusion. Always there is no conclusion at all for the no concept framed statements. That means here answer is What is the answer here? Answer is no conclusion. No conclusion at all. No conclusion at all for the no concept. This is the fourth concept. Now we go through the fifth concept. What is the fifth concept here? The fifth concept was or is all sum. All sum. Fifth concept. Fifth concept. Already we discussed the second concept. That second concept is all sum. All sum. Now we take the fifth concept. Fifth concept. This fifth concept conversely taken from the second concept. What is the second concept? All sum. What is the second concept? All sum. Now the fifth concept was or is sum all. Sum all. Sum all. Here now we frame those two statements as usually from the given two aspects. From that statements we frame the Venn diagrams. From that Venn diagrams and from the framed two given statements, what is the logic imbibed in those aspects? From that basis information we frame the conclusion for that framed two given statements. Here, what is the first statement? Some roses are plants. Some roses are plants. And the second statement, all plants are beautiful. All plants are beautiful. All plants are beautiful. Some roses are plants and all plants are beautiful. Again, the common portion is plants. When we go through the conclusion portion, that means we are not take that word plant. That means we frame framing the depend upon the roses aspect and beautiful aspect. Now we go through the Venn diagram. How we draw the Venn diagram here? The Venn diagram is some roses are plants. Some roses are plants. Some roses are plants. This is the common portion. This is the common portion for the roses section and plants section. That means some roses are plants. Some roses are plants. And all plants are beautiful. What is here? All plants are beautiful. We take like this portion as all plants are beautiful. All plants are beautiful. And we also take as this information. That means we also cover the roses section also in the beautiful. All plants are beautiful section. That means we also cover this portion also in beautiful. This is the beautiful. Beautiful. This is the beautiful. All roses are plants, and all roses are plants. Some roses are plants, and all plants are beautiful. Some roses are plants. Some roses are plants, and all plants are beautiful. All plants are beautiful, and all plants are beautiful. Now we conclude the conclusion through the information about the this Venn diagram, and from these two statements here, plant is the common portion. When we go through the framing of the conclusion portion, we did not take the plant word in that conclusion portion. Hence, the conclusion. What is the conclusion here? Conclusion 1. Conclusion 1. What is the conclusion 1? Here, some roses. This is the common portion of the roses and beautiful. This is the common portion of the roses and beautiful. And now we take as some roses are beautiful. Some roses are beautiful. Some roses are beautiful. The first conclusion is some roses are beautiful. This is the common portion. This is the common portion of the roses and beautiful. Roses and beautiful. We omit the plants section from these two sections, roses and beautiful. I already told we omit the plant word when we go through the conclusion portion. Hence, the first conclusion, some roses are beautiful. And second conclusion, what is the second conclusion? Some beautiful are roses. Some beautiful are roses. Some beautiful. This is the common portion. Some beautiful are roses. Some beautiful. Some beautiful are. Some beautiful are roses. Some beautiful. Some beautiful are. Some beautiful. Some beautiful are roses. This is the beautiful portion. Some beautiful are roses. Some roses are plants. All plants are beautiful. Plant is the common. Hence we omit the plant word when we go through the framing of the conclusion. And we draw the Venn diagram for the above given two statements. That is, some roses are plants. All plants are beautiful. That means plant section purely imbibed, totally imbibed in the beautiful sector. Beautiful sector. And also we take as this all plants are beautiful, as this total roses portion also covered in this beautiful sector. But we go through the framing of the conclusion. The conclusion like that, some roses, this is the roses and beautiful portion, common portion. That means some roses are beautiful and some beautiful are roses. These are the two conclusions framed for the above given two statements. Are you clear? This is the fifth concept of sum all. Sum all. Okay.